Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your Remitly application from your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To uninstall your Remitly application, firstly go ahead and open your app list. From the app list, search for your Remitly application and long press on it. Three options will appear on the screen, that is uninstall, edit and app info. Click on uninstall option. Now confirm on installation of the application by tapping on OK. This is how you can uninstall Remitly application from your device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.